Hi, hello everybody. Welcome back to Southern Antarctic Outdoors. Down the hillside from the house today. Might be able to see it up top of the hill there. Very steep hill, but manageable. Today's activity is going to center on this white pine. It's not a huge one. It's only maybe 14 to 16 inches diameter near the base. And I think I can get a couple logs out of it for the sawmill. As you can see, hopefully you can see, the top's broken out up there. And from storm damage, I think about a month ago. And over here is the top. So my first order of business is going to be clean that up. Cut, hold the presses. We got rained out. The intro you just saw was on Saturday, today's Monday. And got rained out, sprinkled it first, then got harder. Finally went in and checked the radar, and looked like we were going to be on and off rain all day. So I decided to come over here to the sawmill and put a maple on the deck. And that got on fine. But then I found out a little surprise, which you'll see in this upcoming video clips. Shot from my phone. I didn't have any cameras with me, so I just had to use my phone. But you might find it interesting and a little disgusting too, maybe. So hope you enjoy. When you find mice in your air filter and you clean them out, and you come back a few days later to use the sawmill, you can check the air filter and it looks fine, but then you hear a ruckus, and it's not fine. But we'll clean it out and get going. Part 2, move the saw head down to get some more sunlight on it, and taking off all the panels and whatnot that I could to clean it out, and there's still a little more, what's a nice way to say this, pieces and parts in there. I get some longer implements. And this is what I'm supposed to be working on. Nice big hard maple log. Oh well, maybe tomorrow. The parts that I take off so far. She's all cleaned out. Now hopefully I just remember where all the screws and bolts and nuts and stuff go. Hopefully I'll have this part up in a little bit. Well, she's all together and running again. Sounding better than ever. And the best thing is, no extra parts.